ever wondered why those viral gelatin recipe weight loss ads promise impossible fat loss in just seconds, without diet or exercise, and somehow look like a secret documentary you weren't supposed to see? Today we're talking about Burn Slim and why you should slow down before believing the hype. Burn Slim is aggressively marketed using flashy, AI-generated videos claiming a so-called 6-second gelatin trick that supposedly burns fat faster than injections, often falsely linking the product to well-known media figures like Dr. Jennifer Ashton and Anderson Cooper, or presenting the ad as a fake 60 seconds investigative report to create instant trust. In reality, these associations are completely misleading, and Dr. Jennifer Ashton has publicly clarified that she does not endorse Burn Slim or any similar gelatin-based weight loss products, and has warned viewers that such ads are scams. When you look beyond the marketing, Burn Slim appears to be a generic supplement that has been rebranded and resold for years under different names, with no publicly available clinical trials or credible scientific evidence proving it can cause meaningful fat loss. The ads also rely heavily on fabricated testimonials and before and after stories that cannot be verified, while using vague FDA-related language that implies approval without actually stating it's something legitimate products do not need to do. As for results, what's commonly reported by consumers online is not dramatic fat loss, but mixed experiences that range from no noticeable change to mild effects that can easily be attributed to placebo or short-term water weight fluctuation. This review is not about promoting fear or hype, but about encouraging critical thinking, because real and sustainable weight loss does not come from secret tricks or viral gelatin recipes. If you're seeing Burn Slim or similar ads flooding your feed, understanding these red flags can help you make informed decisions and avoid falling for marketing tactics designed to sell hope rather than proven results.